Here's immersive coverage of the siege here in Buffalo Harbor, coming off the eastern tip of Lake Erie. Expected to be 4 feet of flood stage. We've already got an icy flooding that's invading Highway 5 near the Hamburg area at Buffalo Harbor. 20-foot waves just offshore Lake Erie right now, hammering this area. Look at the surge. I've seen debris lines coming in, flooding the low-lying areas around the eastern tip of Lake Erie, and that includes Highway 5 that is closed. I'm at the marina here in Buffalo Harbor, documenting the siege. Winds gusting 60 to 70 miles an hour here as the Arctic front filters in, and you can actually feel a little bit of some moderation of the temperatures. It's a little bit warmer here off the eastern tip of the lake, but definitely some of the most extreme winter conditions I've ever experienced here in Buffalo, and it's only going to get a lot worse. Oh.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out these other videos here and be sure to subscribe for new content and the latest weather news from AccuWeather.